Today I'll show you how to troubleshoot this error message while trying to delete your file on your laptop. So let's get started. First and foremost, you'll have to head over to the bottom right taskbar and right click on the OneDrive icon to open it. So it will open the settings. Go to settings and tap it. Tap on synchronize and backup and then scroll down to advanced settings. Then you'll scroll down to file on demand and download all files. Click on download all files. Click on continue. So this will download all the files and all the files there will turn green. So this will help to fix the problem. So the last thing that you're supposed to do, you head over to the settings of your machine and then you check for all the updates. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.